My name is Gore, G-O-R-E, Kemp, K-E-M-P. And I came here as a freshman in 1935, and I graduated in 1939 as a BS, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Auburn did an awful lot for me. And when I graduated, it was still a terrible depression, and it was difficult to get a job. I got a job through a family acquaintance, and out of the goodness of their heart, they took me to Baltimore, and it was in the lithographing and printing business. And after about 6 months, I realized that was not what I wanted to do, and nor did I want to stay in that little family company. So I applied with an employment agency, and within 2 weeks, I had an appointment with a manufacturer of piston rings for automobiles, and that was my joy. Oh boy. And so I worked in that company until I was called to service, and I entered the military. Of course, having taken ROTC here at Auburn, I got a commission in the Corps of Engineers, and I was called active duty in March of '41, prior to Pearl Harbor. And then in turn, after serving with troops, I was sent to the engineer school at Fort Belvoir, Virginia, as an instructor in equipment. And I was up there for 2 years, turned to the same company, and as an engineer in the sales department, and kept on working and became sales manager for that product. And I went to Texas, and there the thing to do was to get in the oil business. So I didn't have enough savings to be drilling wells and so forth, but I was able to join as a partner in a company that repaired downhole problems in wells, and I learned that, and we made a success of the company, and for the next 25 years, and became a spokesman for it, and wrote a book about it, and that's how I got invited to come back to Auburn. I wrote the dean and told him, I just appreciate the education that you gave me. It has permitted me to be reasonably successful, at least satisfied, in 3 different endeavors. And it's all because of the education that I got at Auburn. And I sent him a copy of the book, and all. And next thing I knew, they had invited me back up here. I saw or heard that he was going to retire. I wanted to personally thank him and for what he has done for this engineering school. It is tremendous. It really is. Thank you. It's great to be back at Auburn and to see the wonderful progress. So I hope it goes on forever. Thank you now. God bless you. Bye-bye.